Okay, so here we are to bypass the location access services of Android system regarding of any version of the Android OS. You can do it for sake of privacy, but more importantly, you have to maximize the battery power, something I am more concerned, because my privacy have nothing to do with the big honchos. Perhaps whoever seeing this video is living in those so-called nice but actually horrible countries of first world. um, for that you have to install, first of all you have to root your phone, unless it's not possible to override the Android system's internal setup. You have to root it or unlock the keys to Android OS. For all versions of your phone, you can get good rooting experience, some standalone applications, and many more. After rooting, you have to install this amazing thing called Exposed Installer from XDA developer site. It has so many uh, alternate options, softwares, etc., that you may find very useful. For to bypass the location access or to stop all apps location access services, you have to install the exposed module app or exposed. You can see the different settings. After installing every exposed module, you have to reboot the phone. So once it's installed, app ops exposed, you will see so many options. Say for simple applications like a browser, this location never used, vibrate, you can off on anything, overriding the app's internal permissions. But I would like to say that don't touch anything related to the core OS components like settings. I have left it as it was, because with a rooted phone your phone may turn to just a brick or paperweight. Never touch anything related to core components. I have not touched anything. For browser, for apps, you can use. Carefully set the on off switches. I would suggest that never used component must be off. Location must be off. You can leave the others as it is, because they are less harmful or not harmful at all. Hey, you will find that your good apps or apps in your good book may show something different when placed under this app ops exposed module, because you can see a simple music player use a location access service. So is for this popular messaging system. Read context, location, camera. You can turn it off anytime. Even I have only touched this core component module called gallery. The location is off. Modify settings, it is also off. So friends, you know how to take control of your all location related things about your phone and be your own master and never regret. Thanks.